Never forget about you. Today I want you to put you at the top of your to-do list. I sense a little hesitation. Don't think about it. You really need to do this. So you've been putting others first for so long, you've lost a connection to your own personal brand. And you keep dancing to somebody else's beat. But today, it's time to reintroduce the world to your phenomenal marching band. Putting others first to the detriment of you is the opposite of healthy living. Today, I implore you to love you some you. And tomorrow, you can get back to all that giving. The first thing they tell you when you get on a plane is put your mask on first. And since you failed to follow protocol, it's been hard for you to breathe. And if you don't make some changes, it will only get worse. Give yourself room to be human and make mistakes. I know they look at you as a superhuman and they think you can just go. But right now, it's time for you to hit the brakes. You have to have your own back, because they will use you until they can't use you no more. And those are the facts. Today, embrace your flaws, because you are imperfectly perfect. Treat yourself to your favorite meal and do you today, because believe me, you deserve it. Take this moment to rethink all of your present relationships. And if you find that you and anyone in your boat are not sailing in the same direction, it's time for them to be ousted from your ship. Meaning no disrespect, but they must be removed from your presence. Because if they're not for you, they're against you. And as of today, that is no longer the essence of who you are. Today, I want you to find that little kid buried deep inside that used to love to smile. Go on a play date with yourself and embrace your inner child. You have more power than you know. You are so much more than just going with the flow. Love yourself. Because if you don't love you, it's hard to love somebody else. Self-love. Love you some you.
There comes a time in everyone's life when you stop believing the dream and you start living the dream. That time won't come until you make that decision. Nobody can tell you when to turn it on or when to turn it off. You must go after it like there is no tomorrow, because tomorrow isn't promised. Today is the perfect opportunity for you to live in the present. There are no limits to where you can go in life. And when you think you don't have your purpose, and when you think you fail, and you feel like throwing in the towel, that's the exact moment that the creator of this world give you the inner strength that you need. When you bow down and humble yourself and know that it's not you, but it's he who created you that will give you everything you need. At the exact moment, you may be on the street, living in your car, don't know how you're gonna make this next payment. Don't wait for this world to give you an opportunity. You go and take it. You go fight, scratch, and bleed for whatever you want. Go after it with all you got, because you have enough where no one can tell you when and where you will go. Success has nothing to do with money. Success has everything to do with you giving back after going through all you've gone through in this life. When you can reap and sow the benefits of putting into someone else and seeing them be successful at what you've helped them go through. That's why we're here. That's the dream. That's the pivotal moment that we all look for in life. Just keep going, keep pushing, keep fighting. When it's all over, you'll be at the top of the mountain and can look down and see everything you had to go through. And it got you to this memorable moment.